I will discuss some important MCQs from local anesthetics. Question number 1 is local anesthetic produce option A analgesia, amnesia, loss of consciousness, option B blocking pain sensation with or loss of consciousness, option B elevation of anxiety and pain with an altered level of consciousness, option D stopper and solvent state. The correct answer of this question is option B blocking pain sensation with the loss of consciousness. Question number 2. A good local anesthetic agent should not cause option A local irritation and tissue damage, option B systemic toxicity, option C fast onset and long duration of function, option C D vasodilation. The correct answer of this question is option C fast onset and long duration of action. Question number 3. Most local anesthetic agents consist of option A lipophilic groups, option B intermediate chain, option C amino groups, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D all of the above. Question number 4. Which of the following groups is responsible for the duration of action of local anesthetic action? Option A intermediate chain, option B lipophilic chain, option group, option C ionizable group, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option A intermediate chain. Question number 5. Indicate the local anesthetic agent which has a shorter duration of action. Option A lidocaine, option B procaine, option C bupivacaine, option D ropivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B procaine. Question number 6. Which of the following groups is responsible for the potency and toxicity of the local anesthetics? Option A ionizable group, option B intermediate group, option C lipophilic group, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C lipophilic group. Question number 7. Indicate the drug which has greater potency of the local anesthetic action. Option A lidocaine, option B bupivacaine, option C procaine, option D bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B bupivacaine. Question number 8. Ionizable group is responsible for option A potency and the toxicity, option B duration of action, option C the ability to diffuse to the site of action, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C ability to diffuse to the site of action. Question number 9. Which of the following local anesthetics is an ester of benzoic acid? Option A lidocaine, option B procaine, option C bupivacaine, option D cocaine. The correct answer of this question is option D cocaine. Question number 10. Indicate the local anesthetic which is an ester of para-aminobenzoic acid. Option A, bupivacaine. Option B, cocaine. Option C, procaine. Option D, lidocaine. The correct answer of this question is option C, procaine. Question number 11. Which of the following local anesthetic is an acetaldehyde derivative? Option A, tetracaine. Option B, lidocaine. Option C, cocaine. Option D, procaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, lidocaine. Question number 12. Indicate the local anesthetic which is a toluidine derivative. Option A, lidocaine. Option B, bupivacaine. Option C, pilocaine. Option D, procaine. The correct answer of this question is option C, pilocaine. Question number 13. Which of the following local anesthetic is a thiophene derivative? Option A, procaine. Option B, ultracaine. Option C, lidocaine. Option D, bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, ultracaine. Question number 14. Local anesthetics are option A, weak bases. Option B, weak acids. Option C, salts. Option D, none of above. The correct answer of this question is option A, weak bases. Question number 15. For the therapeutic application, local anesthetics are usually made available as salt for the reason of option A, less toxicity and higher potency. Option B, higher stability and greater lipid solubility. Option C, less local tissue damage and more potency. Option D, more stability and greater water solubility. The correct answer of this question is option D, more stability and greater water solubility. Question number 16. Indicate the anesthetics agent of choice in the patient with liver disease. Option A, lidocaine. Option B, bupivacaine. Option C, procaine. Option D, acidocaine. The correct answer of this question is option C, procaine. Question number 17. Which of the following local anesthetics is preferable in patient with pseudocholinesterase deficiency? Option A, procaine. Option B, ropivacaine. Option C, tetracaine. Option D, benzocaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, ropivacaine. Question number 18. The primary mechanism of action of the local anesthetic is option A, activation of ligand gated potassium channels. Option B, blockage of voltage gated sodium channels. Option C, stimulation of voltage gated n-type calcium channels. Option D, blockage of gamma gated chloride channels. The correct answer of this question is option D, blockage of blockage of voltage gated sodium channels. Question number 19. Which of the following local anesthetic is more water soluble? Option A tetracaine, option B acidocaine, option C procaine, option D bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option C procaine. Question number 20. Indicate the local anesthetic which is more lipid soluble. Option A bupivacaine, option B lidocaine, option C bupivacaine, option D procaine. The correct answer of this question is option A bupivacaine. Question number 21. The more lipophilic drugs, option A, are more potent, option B, have longer duration of action, option C, bind more extensively to the protein, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 22. Which of the following fiber is first to be blocked? Option A type A alpha fibers, option B B and C fibers, option C type A beta fibers, option C D option type A gamma fibers. The correct answer of this question is option B B and C fibers. Question number 23. Indicate the function of which the loss to be blocked. Option A pain, temperature, option B muscle spindle, option C motor function, option D touch pressure. The correct answer of this question is option C motor function. Question number 24. Which of the following fiber participate in high frequency pain transmission? Option A type A delta and C fibers, option B type A alpha fibers, option C type B fibers, option D type A beta fibers. The correct answer of this question is option A type A delta and C fibers. Question number 27. Which of the following local anesthetic is an useful antiarrhythmic agent? Option A cocaine, option B lidocaine, option C bupivacaine, option D ropivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B lidocaine. Question number 26. Indicate the route of local anesthetic administration which is associated with the installation within the epidural subarachnoid space. Option A topical anesthesia, option B infiltrative anesthesia, option C regional anesthesia, option D spinal anesthesia. The correct answer of this question is option D spinal anesthesia. Question number 27. Which of the following local anesthetics is a short-acting drug? Option A procaine, option B tetracaine, option C bupivacaine, option D ropivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option A procaine. Question number 28. Indicate the local anesthetic which is a long-acting agent. Option A lidocaine, option B bupivacaine, option C procaine, option D bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, bupivacaine. Question number 29. The anesthetic effect of the agent of short and intermediate duration of action can be prolonged by adding option A, epinephrine, option B, norepinephrine, option C, dopamine, option D, phenylephrine. The correct answer of this question is option C, dopamine. Question number 30. A vasoconstrictor does not, option A, retard the removal of drug from the injection site, option B, hence the chance of toxicity, option C, decrease the blood level, option D, reduce the local anesthetic uptake by the nerve. The correct answer of this question is option D, reduce our local anesthetic uptake by the nerve. Question number 31. Vasoconstrictors are less effective in prolonging anesthetic properties of option A, procaine, option B, bupivacaine, option C, lidocaine, option D, bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, bupivacaine. Question number 32. Which of the following local anesthetics is only used for surface or topical anesthesia? Option A, cocaine, option B, tetracaine, option C, procaine, option D, bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option A, cocaine. Question number 33. Indicate the local anesthetic which is mainly used for regional nerve block anesthesia. Option A, dibocaine, option C, B, bupivacaine, option C, tetracaine, option D, cocaine. The correct answer of this question is option B, bupivacaine. Question number 24. Which of the following local anesthetic is used for infiltrative and regional anesthesia? Option A, procaine, option B, lidocaine, option C, bupivacaine, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 35. Indicate the local anesthetic which is used for spinal anesthesia. Option A, tetracaine, option B, cocaine, option C, dibocaine, option D, bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option A, tetracaine. Question number 36. Which of the following local anesthetic is called a universal anesthetic? Option A, procaine, option B, bupivacaine, option C, lidocaine, option D, bupivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option C, lidocaine. Question number 37. No serious toxic reaction to the local anesthetic is option A, seizure, option B, cardiovascular collapse, option C, respiratory failure, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C, respiratory failure. Question number 38. Correct statement concerning cocaine includes all of the following except cocaine is used for nose and throat precaution. Option B. Limited use because of abuse potential. Option C. Myocardial depression and the peripheral vasodilation. Option D. Cause sympathetic mediated tachycardia. The correct answer of this question is option C. Myocardial depression and the peripheral vasodilation. Question number 39. Which of the following local anesthetics is more cardiotoxic? Option A. Procaine. Option B. Bupivacaine. Option C. Lidocaine. Option D. Nopivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option B. Bupivacaine. Question number 40. The most anesthetics can cause option A. Depression of the abnormal cardiac pacemaker activity, excitability and conduction. Option B. Depression of the strength of the cardiac contraction. Option C. Cardiovascular collapse. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D. All of the above. Question number 41. Which of the following local anesthetic cause methemoglobinemia? Option A. Pilococaine. Option B. Procaine. Option C. Lidocaine. Option D. Nopivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option A. Pilocaine. Question number 42. Procaine has all the following properties except option A. It has ester linkage. Option B. Its metabolic product can inhibit the action of phosphoramide. Option B. C. It readily penetrates the skin and mucosa. Option D. It is relatively short acting. The correct answer of this question is option C. It rapidly penetrates the skin and mucosa. Question number 43. Correct statement concerning lidocaine include all of the following except option A. It is a universal anesthetic. Option B. It has an anesthetic linkage. Option C. It widely used as an antiarrhythmic drug. Option D. It is metabolized by liver. The correct answer of this question is option B. It has anesthetic linkage. Question number 44. Which of the following local anesthetic is more likely to cause allergic reaction? Option A. Lidocaine. Option B. Bupivacaine. Option C. Procaine. Option D. Nopivacaine. The correct answer of this question is option C. Procaine. Question number 45. Tetracaine has all the following properties except option A. Slow onset. Option B. Low potency. Option C. Long duration. Option D. High toxicity. The correct answer of this question is option B. Low potency. Question number 45. Correct statement concerning bupivacaine include all of the following except it has low cardioselectivity. Option cardiotoxicity. Option B. It has amide linkage. Option C. It is a long-acting drug. Option D. An intravenous injection can lead to seizures. The correct answer of this question is option A. It has low cardiotoxicity.